Today we will try to learn one of the concepts of adding or mentally adding a two-digit number and another two-digit number. Okay, so let me introduce this cubes over here. The blue cube represents 10 and the yellow cube represents 1. Okay, so say for example we have this set of cubes over here. You can see we have 4 blue ones. Okay, so that will be 10, 20, 30, 40. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically we have 48 over here. And we want to add that one to this pile. So we have 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 37 for this pile. Okay. So now you can see that we have 48 plus 37. And 48 and 37, they are both two-digit numbers. Okay, so one of the strategies in adding two-digit numbers is, well, we have to pick which one is the larger one, so we can start with that. So between 48 and 37 we have 48, so let's choose 48. All right, okay, so let's choose 48. Okay, now with the second number, do you remember the expanded form of a number? Okay, so with 37, the expanded form is 30 plus 7. Okay, so the first step in doing this, let's write the first number here. We have 48. Okay, and in your book, you will see an arrow. This arrow represents the first step in adding the two-digit numbers. Okay, so in the first step, the first one that we'll add to 48 is from your expanded form, this one, okay, the tens value. Okay, so from 48 we add a tens value. So now we have 48 plus 30. We can easily answer that, right? That'll be 78, right? So from our cubes, what exactly happened? Okay, from our cubes, we took this one and added it here. So let's count that. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. And how many yellows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 78. So that's what we have here. We have 78. Okay, let's take away that equal sign. All right, it's 78. Okay, then the next step now, sorry. The next step would be, okay, we have a second arrow. Since we already added this 30, now we have to add a 7. So let's add 7. Okay, so now let's concentrate on this. You can see that we're now adding a two-digit number to a one-digit number. So do we still remember? That was the lesson from last time. Okay, so let's review that. So we have 78 and 7. Okay, if we wanted to add 78 plus 7, so we need to make this one 80. Therefore, we need to break down 7. What do we need for 78 to make it 80? We need 2. So break down 7. You have 2. And you have 5. Okay. So you add this 2 to 78. So that becomes 80. And you have to add the extra one, which is 5. So you have an 85. Okay. So let's put this 85 over here. Okay. From 48 plus 30 equals 78. 78 plus 7, this is 85. Okay, so this is actually like a two-step process that we have here. Okay, so in our cubes, what did we do? Okay, so we broke, this is 78, so we needed 2 to make this one the next 10. So we added 2. Okay, so let's count. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. That's why we have 80. And we have the extra 5. Okay. Alright. So pick the bigger number, 48 and 37. Get the expanded form of the smaller number. That's 30 and 7. First, you add 30 to the number. So this 48 plus 30, you have 78. And then after that, you add to the ones value. In this case was 7, so 78 plus 7, that's 85. Okay. In your book, you can find more example from your workbook on page 27. On page 27, you can try out all of these examples here on your own, and you can use the video as a guide. All right.